Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how transform this triangle ABC on this coordinate plane over x-axis, actually reflected over this one, reflect over y-axis, this one, reflect over line y equals to x, this blue one, and reflect this one over y equals to negative x with help of matrices. I'm going to show you what is the associated matrices for this one. And before, if you remember, if you checked my previous videos, you can see that I worked everything without using matrices, just algebraic with this one. But today I want to show you how to use associated matrices to do these transformations. If you know that this the triangle ABC, we use this one as a pre-image. We are looking for image of this one after reflection of this over x-axis. Okay, you know that the reflection over this over x-axis, we can keep this x's and just use negative sign of y's. Okay, but how can we do first? We know that ABC, the triangle ABC, is the coordinate of vertices is this. A is, as you see, 1, 2. B is, the vertices B is 3, 3. And C is 2, 4. Yes? Okay. We can make a matrix for this one. A matrix 2 by 3. This is the matrix of this. 1, 2. This is x's, this is y's. Okay. This one is 3, 3. 2, 4. Yes? This is a matrix regarding the coordinate values of the vertices of ABC, right? Okay. This matrix is about the pre-image. Okay, if we want to reflect this one over x-axis, for example, x-axis, I told you that we keep the x's and just change the y's. We use this one. Okay, but you know that the multiplication of matrices is like this. If this one is 2 by 3 matrix, 2 by 3, the matrix that we can use here must be something times 2. This 2 dimension must matches. You know that. But we use this 2 by 2, right? Okay, 2 by 2 is a associated matrix for reflecting this over x-axis. This one is 1, 0, negative 1, 0. This multiplied by this one gets a 2 by 3. Yes? Y equals negative x here. Okay? This is the answer is 2 by 3. How can we do that? This row is like this one. We say this multiplied by this one. 1 times 1 plus 0 times 2. Okay. 1 times 1 plus 0 times 2. Okay. How much is going to be? 1. 1 times 1, 0 times 2 gets 1. Okay. 1 and 0 times 3 and 3. Okay, this gets 3, gets 0. Okay, just 3. Right? How about this one? 1 times 2, 0 times 4. Just we need just 2. Right? Okay, we keep the x's as I told you. Okay, how about this one? This times this one, this is 0, this is negative 2. gets negative. Y gets negative. This one times this gets negative 3. This time, this one times this column gets 0, negative 4. As you see, the x's is the x's, but y's are the opposite sign. 2 gets negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, so this matrix is the result of the reflection this ABC over x-axis. How can we write this one? We can write this A prime is 1, negative 2, B prime 3, negative 3, C prime with 2, negative 4, right? We did this before. Before we said keep the x's and just use the opposite sign of the y's. Yes? This is this one. Okay, we can find this 1, negative 2. This is 1, negative 2 here for A prime. B prime 3, negative 3. 3, negative 3. 3, negative 3 is here actually. B prime should be over this one. Somewhere here. B prime is here. 3, negative 3. 1, negative 2. And C is 2, negative 4. 2, negative 4. Exactly here. Yes. C prime is 2, negative 4. And if you connect this one, it should be, yeah. This triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is reflection of this one over X. With using this associated matrix for what? Reflect over x-axis, right? Okay. How about y-axis? If we do y-axis, in y-axis, you know that we just x y is the same. X gets negative sign. Yes. Okay. What can we use this one? Reflection over y-axis. This is the matrix. Negative 1, 0, 0, 1. This one we wanted to change the y. Here we want to change x's. Okay, we use this one. ABC is here. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4. The result is 2 by 2, 2 by 3 gets 2 by 3. Right? Okay. This one, negative 1, 0 times this gets negative 1 plus 0, negative 1. This times this one, negative 3, negative 2. You see the x's changes. X's changes to negative. But we can keep the x's. This one unchanged. This one is 2, just 3, and 4. Okay? This is a final matrix of this one. This is a reflection over y-axis. We can write this one A double prime of double prime gets negative 1, 2. B double prime is negative 3, 3. And C double prime negative 2, 4. And you can see here, everything just changed over x-axis. This negative 1, 2. This is 1, 2. This is negative 1, 2 here. This is A. B is negative 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay, B double prime. C is negative 2, 4. This is 4, negative 2, 4. This one is A double prime, B double prime, C double prime is the reflection of this one over y-axis by using this associated matrix. Okay, this over x-axis, this was over y-axis. Okay, for doing this one over y equal to x, we use another matrix. Okay, what is the matrix? 0, 0, 1, 1. This reflection over y equal to x. Just do this. This is the ABC equals to, we just change, you know that if you want to reflect over this one, everything to x and y exchange. Okay, this one times this, this gets x's gets y's. This is 2, this gets 3, this one is 4. You see, the y's gets x's. Here multiply gets 1, multiply this one gets 3, multiply this one, this gets, okay, 2. You see that 1, 3, 2 x's gets y's, new y's. The y's gets new x's, right? Okay, this is the reflection over y-axis. We can say, what can we say? Just the new triangle is the new gets the 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 2. Yes, everything changes. Okay, 2, 1, it was 1, 2, it gets 2, 1. This is new. What can I say? A new. A new. I can call this A new. A new, B new, C new. Okay. This one, 3, 3. Yes, 3, 3 is the same. 3, 3. Here and here. This is B new. And C is 4, 2. 4, 2 here. This is C new. This one is, this triangle is actually the reflection of this one over y equals to x. Good? And just very quick, I can show you about this line too. This line is, sorry. This line should be here. Negative x, okay? The matrix, the associated matrix for this one, reflection over y equals negative x is this. You know, x's and y's changes the signs. What is AB? AB 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4. The result gets, this one gets negative 2 and negative 3, negative 4, negative 1, this one, negative 3, and negative 2. Yes, everything just exchanges and change the signs. Okay, how can we do this one? Just I can show you with red one. This is red one. Okay, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 1 here. Negative 3, negative 3 here. And negative 4, negative 2 here. this triangle is reflection over this line of this. This pre-image, this is image of this reflection over y equals to negative x, okay? These four matrices we use to reflection. You can use matrices and you can use just algebraic. Good. Hope you like this kind of practice, and I promise come back with another kind of matrices for doing different other transformation, for example, rotation and dilation. They have another associated matrices. Okay, I come back with new matrices. Have a good day and